Now we could look at our audio on the timeline and decide that it's too long in terms of what we want to deliver to the customer or in terms of what we want to deliver to our audience. For example, we could decide that our regular broadcast is going to be about 45 minutes, and we can do edits that will take us down to about 50 minutes. And so what we need to do is reduce the timing of the audio without reducing any of the content. If that's the case, what we're going to do is speed up the entire audio. And one of the ways that we can do that is we can highlight the entire audio. And then we're going to go to our effect category. And then we're going to work on changing the speed. And Audacity is going to give us a speed multiplier. Now we can start with the speed multiplier at 1.5. Now what we can see here is that at that speed, we're going to bring the new length down to 32 minutes. Now that's probably more than we need, and it's probably going to cause distortion in the audio. So what we need to do is we need to designate the length. And so we can do that by writing in what we want the new length to be. And when we do that, you notice that the speed multiplier goes down from 1.5 times to 1.073 times. And what we're going to do then is we're going to click OK. So basically what we've done is we've backed into the amount of time that we want in terms of our total audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.